Imagine working for like 40 years, collecting a paycheck every month and still retiring worried about money, right? So why does this happen? Because salary alone will never make you rich, right? Salary alone will never make you rich. So today I want to challenge the idea that a paycheck is the ultimate path to wealth. It's not. It's just the beginning. Okay, so you can leverage on that, but only salary alone cannot make you wealthy. Okay, so the part one of this is the limitation of salary, right? So salaries are capped. Your employer decides your worth. They are the one who decide what to pay you, no matter how good in negotiation, how good are you in negotiation. They already determine, they have a range, the budget of what they will pay you. So that is it. Okay, so it's not the market, it's your employer that decides your worth. So inflation eats away at purchasing power. A rise even just keeps you afloat. With the rate of inflation now, tax takes a bit of it also for those that are paying tax, right? And the more you earn, the more you hold. Yeah. So for money trap, you only earn when you work, which limits your growth. You only earn when you work, and that limits your growth. Okay, so it's better you make money when you are sleeping. You make money in other in another way around, like different streams of income. Okay, so if you depend only on your salary, it will not go really far, right? So the illusion of security. Many people cling to jobs for security, but layoff, automation, and economic downturn prove otherwise. Yeah. So if you claim you have security, your job is secure, but if there is an economic downturn, if there is come up, what will happen? That means you have to start from scratch. Okay, so don't rely only on salary. You need a backup plan. Or salary is just for bit stuff to start up. Okay, you can up your salary, then you discipline yourself, then you have a backup plan for that. So even if the salary fails, if your monthly income, your job, anything can happen, you have something to fall back on. Okay, so and a paycheck feels safe, but it's fragile, and the security comes from multiple streams of income. So if you have a job and you think it's secure, it's not really secured. But if you have multiple of it, like 2-3 jobs, something coming in, no matter how little it is, that's a secure job, a secure life, a secure future. Because if one fails, then the other one will be a backup plan. Okay, I know if you have 3 streams, the 3 stream of income cannot just cease at a go. Okay, so that's it. So what actually builds wealth is investment, like stock, real estate. You own your own business, you have your own business, asset that grows while you sleep. Okay, so ownership, equity in companies or properties create compound wealth. Your wealth will keep compounding. Okay, so you have equity in a company, you should just buy a fragment of a company. The more the company grow. The more the company grows, then your income keep growing. That is how to make money, while sleeping. Also, skills and creativity, like leveraging knowledge to create products, services, or intellectual property. Okay, intellectual property, right? So, like, if you have a skill that you are good at, you can leverage on that. You can turn it to a course. Then people can buy into it and pay you. Just create a value behind it, and people will pay for it. Okay, and the part 4 is mindset shift. Your mindset shift. Okay, so stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like an investor or a owner. Start thinking of buying some asset or starting a business, no matter how little it is. Okay, just have to start, right? So wealth is not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. Example is two people earning the same salary, one spend it all and other invest consistently. After 20 years, their financial lives look completely different. That is it. So you don't spend everything, just keep some. Even where people are telling you savings is this, saving is that. If you save, even before you invest, you have to save some money before you can invest it. So saving is not outdated. Saving is still part of it. Okay, you save, then from your savings you start investing. Yeah. So salary is important, but it's not enough. Call to action, use your salary as a tool, not a destination. Invest, build, and create. That's how you escape from paycheck trap and move forward to real wealth. Okay, and your paycheck can feed you today, but only your asset will feed you for life. That's a take home. Your paycheck can feed you today, but only your asset can feed you for life. Okay, thank you for your time. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Right.